Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can test checkout on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, then go to payments. Once you're here in payments, you're going to find payment providers, supported payment methods, manual payment methods, payments customization, and lastly, payment capture method. So you gotta come here to payment providers, click on choose a provider, and then once you're here, you need to select bogus gateway. If you can't find it, then you can just search for it right here. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see guys, here it's for testing. So bogus gateways is meant for testing. Shopify will not charge you transaction fees on order paid with this gateway. You can use the following codes in place of the credit card number when checking out. To simulate an approved transaction, to simulate a declined transaction, to simulate a gateway failure. So right now, just go to activate for testing, click on it. And then as you can see guys, now bogus gateway is activated. In order to deactivate it, just come back to this place and click on deactivate. And now as you can see guys, it's deactivated. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.